Hello and welcome to Tech Travel Subs. You Hello and welcome to Tech Travel Subs. Let's see how to change the password of your computer's username or computer's user using what you can log in on your computer. Like simply see this icon, this PC. Before starting, remember on thing Windows 10 and Windows 11 are almost same, so do not need to be worried about that. Let's do it. Right click on it and simply click on show more options if you are using Windows 11. But if you are using Windows 10, then you will see the prompt same as this one, and then click on manage. After clicking on manage, you will see another option or another pop-up will be shown in front of you that is about local users and groups. Just simply click on it and click on users. Now you can see this is the user of mine that I am using now, and I'd like to change the password of this one. Just simply right click on it and then click on set password, and then click on proceed, and then set the password whatever you want, and then enter the password again, and then click on OK, and you will see the password has been set. But here is one more thing: if your user is not into the member of administrator, it would be really difficult for you to change or set a password. So if you are facing any problem, then see another video or watch another video which aligns with that one, or you can enable the administrator account. So how to do it, I have another video on this in this channel, so you can do it yourself. And there are several options, like if you are getting the control panel, or if you are searching control panel from this option, then click on it and then simply go to the user account. How will you get it? Here you can see on option, just sometimes we are getting this way, but if we are expanding this one into the large icon, then we will get this option like what I said. So user accounts, and then simply click on manage another account, and simply click on it, and then see change the password. So changing the password is one of the easiest ways that I have shown you. So you can input the password again here, and then confirm the new password, and then click on change the password, and it will be changed. So this is an easiest way you can follow, or the ways that I have shown from both the angle you can follow anyone. Or if you have another issue, if you cannot do it by yourself, then don't forget to let me know. I will try to give you another suggestion based on your queries. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.